Good morning. Today is Unit 12, Week 2, Day 3. It is Thursday morning, and we are going to skip around our posters a bit and just do a couple of them instead of doing all of our posters. So we are going to go back to our vowel sound posters. Let's do A safe A apple I did it backwards, it's okay. Let's do I itch I pine I. Let's skip down to U up U mule U rule oo. So when you hear that oo sound, you're actually going to write U dash E. It's a long U sound. Okay, let's skip to our welded sounds or our glued sounds. We haven't done these in a while. How about UNG, lung, ung? Repeat after me. ANK, bank, ank. How about ONK, honk, onk? All right. Other side. All right. Let's skip to OR, horn, or. IR, bird, How about UR, burn, Good. And we're going to do a couple of our vowel teams. Not all of them today, just a couple. All right, so why don't we start? We'll do the whole EE row. Jeep, EA, eat, EY, key, Let's skip to this row. OU, trout, ow. OO, school, oo. OO, book, And how about AW, saw, ah? All right. Moving on, we just have a lot to do today. Our first, our word of the day today is a two-syllable word with a short vowel syllable in the front and a long vowel syllable in the back. So I can see my hair sticking up. Okay. So the word is dislike. Say dislike. Dislike. What does dislike mean? When do you dislike something? Well, dislike means is a feeling of not liking or approving of something or someone. So maybe you don't like something or you don't like someone. So let's write the word dislike. Let's take apart this word. We know it has two syllables. So here are my syllable boxes. Dislike. The first syllable is dis. Dislike. There's a long I in that one. Dislike. Two syllables. Dislike. Okay, and let's mark it. Dislike. So our first syllable is dis. Our second syllable is like. So we know that for two reasons. We know that because I put one syllable here and one syllable here. So we know the split is between those two syllable frames. Or we can look and see the two vowels are separated by two consonants. That's the other rule that will tell us how to split that word. Our first one is a short vowel and it's closed. Our second one is a vowel consonant E. Vowel consonant E. So I want to point out something here. When we're marking vowel consonant E, we're marking a vowel type here. We're not writing the actual vowel that's in the word. So you always write V-E. It stands for vowel consonant E when you're marking this kind of syllable and a macron over the I. Now, you would write, if I asked you, what says E, you would write E-E. So that's how we write the sound. If I were to say what says I-E, that's how you write the sound. It's not the syllable. This is the syllable type. Okay. Alrighty. So let's write some words. All right, feel free to get out your whiteboard or your piece of paper. or chalkboard, however you're writing today. So the first word is going to be reptile. Reptile. What's the first syllable there? Rep. Ep. Tile. Tile. Reptile. Let's mark it. Reptile. So notice how I'm using the syllable boxes to separate the two syllables, but then I'm putting it back together to mark it. Reptile. What kind of syllable is the first one? Well, there's a short E in it, so it's closed. There's a long I in the second one, so it is a vowel consonant E. Reptile. Macron, cross out that E. All right. Say inhale. 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 Okay, let's mark it. So in is our closed syllable. And hail is our vowel consonant E. Okay, and let's go on to a compound word. We haven't done a compound word in a couple days. Say springtime. Springtime. So what's the first syllable in springtime? Springtime. Whoops. I'm actually going to use my syllable frames here. Spring. Let's tap out spring. 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 So there's a trigraph, right? 3 letters that make one sound. And ing is a glued sound. ing, r, right? ing, ring, ing. Springtime. I'm. Springtime. And now we're going to put it all together. Ing. Time. Now that's a long word, but really it's just 2 words put together. Now where do we split springtime? Because it's a compound word, we're actually going to split the word between the 2 separate words. That's why I used my word boxes here. Springtime. So spring is actually a closed syllable because we have a short vowel. So let's mark spring. We're actually going to put a box around our ing because it's a glued sound. And you can underline the blend, SPR. And time is a regular vowel consonant E. Macron over the I, cross out the E. Whew, that was a lot to do for springtime. Okay, moving forward, today we are going to do some more sentence dictation so you can practice writing different sounds and different trick words and different review words and a sentence. I'm realizing I have to change my sentence. We didn't do a sentence for dislike. You know what? We'll do the sentence for dislike at the end, okay? Because I happen to choose it. So let's get going. All right, so let's start off with some sounds. So say O. What says O? Does that say O? No, it doesn't. It says ah. If you write the letter O, it's the short sound, ah. So if we wanted to say O, it's O-E, O, right? So that makes it say its name, okay? Please write the, actually we'll do it this way for you guys. Write the sounds that say W. There are 2 sounds that say W. What 2 sounds say W? Now I know everybody wrote W right away. What's the other one? The digraph, WH. Both of those sounds say W. And last sound, what says U? What's that say? That says If you wanted to say U, U-E. U. Good. Okay, so here are some review words. Right? Say bring. Tap bring. B-R-ing. Bring. What says bring? I'll give you a second to write it. B-R-ing. Bring. And there's one of our glued sounds. Right? Lime. 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 I like lime in my water once in a while. Lime, good. Okay, so here are some words for this week. So, say concrete. Concrete, right? Concrete is the stuff outside that we drive on and we walk on that you can build with. Concrete. So let's do the first part of that word. Concrete. Eat. Concrete. And your second word is inflate. Say inflate. Write inflate. Inflate. F-O-8. There you go. Write the trick word. Own. Own. Starts with that O. But it's tricky because you don't hear the W. O-W-N. Own. Oh, guess what? It's okay if you didn't know that one because we're learning it tomorrow. Sorry about that. What about the word little? Little. That's tricky because it's got a bonus T in it, right? Little. All right, and last but not least, I'd like you to write this sentence and send it to me. So I'm not going to write it. I dislike people who scare me. I dislike people who scare me. It's true. I dislike people who scare me. All right, please go ahead and send me that sentence, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.